How to request a credit limit increase with RBC Royal Bank. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to request a credit limit increase with RBC Royal Bank. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to rbc.com. Once you are on the RBC homepage, click on the sign in button. In the top right corner, there you need to fill up your credit card number and tap next. Once you are logged in, go to your account tab, find your credit card account and click on it. On your credit card detail page, look for the manage credit card option and click on it. Now you will see the option to request a credit limit increase. Click on it. Fill out the form with your requested new limit and any other required information. Make sure everything is accurate. Once you are done, click on the submit button and that's it. You will receive confirmation message once your request is submitted. RBC will review your request and get back to you soon. And that's it. You have successfully increased your credit limit with RBC Royal Bank. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.